Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect a controller to your Microsoft Surface Pro 12. To do that, we're gonna need to put our controller into the pairing mode. In this case I have DualSense controller, so the PS5 controller, and to put it into pairing mode we have to press and hold the PS button and the create button at the same time. Keep holding them until the LED lights of your controller start blinking. Then you have to tap the three-dot icon. You have to tap these three icons in the bottom right corner to open the control center. Tap the arrow icon next to Bluetooth, and then select your controller right here. Right now it is connected. So if you want to disconnect it, go to More Bluetooth Settings, tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner of your controller and select Remove Device. Now if you want to connect an Xbox controller, you're gonna have to turn it on by short pressing this Xbox button that's usually located in the middle right here, and once it is turned on you're gonna have to hold down the pairing button, which is located approximately in this spot. And once the LED indicators of your controller start blinking, you have to go right here, then tap here, and then select your Xbox controller here and connect to it. Or alternatively, you will see the message, the notification in the bottom right corner of your tablet saying that it indicated the Xbox controller, and by tapping on this notification you'll be able to also connect to it. And that's pretty much how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.